All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome to this KubeWarden office hour for the month of November. As always, these meetings are open to everybody. You can, join them, and sure, we do have an agenda, but everybody is free to add items to the agenda or just to join and bring up topics that they care about. So we're really looking forward to hearing from you. The same applies to the ones who are going to watch this meeting recorded on YouTube. Feel free to reach out to us on Slack inside of our channel. We are on the Kubernetes Slack workspace, and we are inside of the KubeWarden channel. So that's it. Today we are going to cover a bunch of topics. So the first one is about KubeWarden 1.18 that has been released some weeks ago. And I will leave the stage to Jose to talk a bit about what this release is about. Jose?
Yeah. So thank you. For the 1.18 release, most of the release are small improvements and other stuff not related to big feature implemented, not yet. So the bigger announcement there is that KubeWarden stack is now SLSA level 3 compliant, which means that you can find SBOM files and attestation files attached to the container images in the registry and in the release pages of GitHub. So you can go there and see how the container image are built and what dependencies are used, and ensure that you don't have any secure supply chain issue, that you can use these files to find issues in secure supply chain. That's basically changing our build, how you build our software, how you attach this kind of information to the container image registry and this kind of thing. Everything related more in detail, including how you can verify these these artifacts are available in our blog in the announcement of the release. So you can go there and check it if you want. And others not that great changes are that we are deprecated v1 alpha 2 CRD versions. We set that as deprecated now. So in the future release, we will remove it in favor of v1. And during the release, we found out that typing our CRD names can be boring because they are pretty long. So we also add short names for our CRD. So for instance, the admission policies now you can type AP, cluster admission policy CAP, and the group versions are the same, just finish with G. So APG or CAPG, and policy server are PS. So it's pretty nice, I would say. I like it. And most of the changes for that release, not any big new feature, but it's necessary changes for the future. So that's all.
Thanks, Jose. I have a question for you because I never, thought about that. But is there any risk maybe of having the short names to conflict with other short names? I thought we add KW as a prefix, but I'm confused. I don't remember exactly.
No, we don't expect any conflict. I remember that we double checked that, but I don't remember any problem related to that. Yeah. No.
Yeah, sure. And if anybody runs into conflicts because he's using other CRDs that they overlap, just reach out. We can, find a different short name, put a prefix. I don't know what is let's say the coding convention here or the best practice in the Kubernetes world about these names. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's cool stuff. So what's coming next? So we are we are having a shorter development cycle because some of us are working on a different I wouldn't say project, but it's still related with Kubewarden. So Fabrice and I, we've been working on basically making Kubewarden capable of writing policies that target the vulnerabilities of images. So be able to say, I don't want to accept workloads inside of my cluster that have more than 5 high severity CVEs. So we are working on that. We will share more about that. Also this month, with the majority of us is working at SUSE, and we have this cool thing called Hack Week. So it's 1 week during which we can do whatever we want. So that means the 1.19 release is going to be delivered on time as always. It's just going to have fewer changes. So what is going to be shipped for sure is we have a bunch of bug fixes. We have a bunch of dependency bumps for CVEs and such. In terms of let's say bug fixes, we just spoke about SLSA level 3. We realized that the bill of material of policy server was missing some details, and so this is going to be fixed inside of a 1.19 release. And yeah, aside from that, I don't think we have anything else. We have some, as I said, ongoing activities that are going to take more than just 1 month to be shipped. So we are working, in the background, and yeah, everything is going to be public in next months. Aside from that, well, I think I didn't miss anything else from what's coming next. Feel free to step in otherwise. And the last announcement I have is that we are at KubeCon North America. So KubeCon is happening right now. So if you are over there, just go to the booth area and you will find a Kubewarden booth over there. Thanks to CNCF for having given us this opportunity. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I guess this is going to be a short community meeting. Thanks for joining. And again, feel free to reach out to us on Slack or, send us some messages on GitHub. Have a great day. See you. Bye-bye.
See you guys. Bye.
See you. Bye-bye.